So the equipment you're using is really important. You want new and sterile equipment, and you want equipment that's not going to break. So when we're thinking about smoking and heating up glass, you want glass that's heat resistant. Your best bet is Pyrex glass. There's 400 distribution sites across Ontario where you can get access to those pipes. When it comes to injecting, that's a complex thing. You really got to know what you're doing and how to prepare. I get very concerned when I see people not measuring their doses. They don't know how to clean the site properly. Finding a vein, because you'd be injecting into a vein, that can be really difficult, particularly if you've been injecting a lot. And if you miss, you run the risk of nasty abscesses. I've seen people's skin go black because of the infections they can get. And you want to be using sterile needles, new needles every time. There are different lengths and thicknesses of needles, so you want to make sure you're using the right kind of needle. Use sterile water, so I often see people mixing it up with tap water. You're just introducing potentially bacteria into your body that way, so get sterile water from the programs. And then make sure you're using alcohol wipes to clean off any surface bacteria before injecting. If you're sharing a pipe between people, you may have cuts or abrasions on your lips and potentially getting Hep C on that pipe. So you could just take a piece of rubber and stick it on the end of the pipe. The best thing is actually just get your own pipe so you're not sharing pipes. You can put a little piece of tape or color code those, so you have the red pipe, I have the green pipe, just as a sort of reminder. If you're sharing snorting equipment, there's a theoretical risk that you could transmit, particularly hepatitis C, a bloodborne infection. Get just a microscopic amount of blood on there, potentially pass it along that way. Don't use dollar bills or money. That is just covered in bacteria. Use plastic straws. Some harm reduction programs actually hand out paper straws, or just go to McDonald's and grab some straws there.